Now this is the factors affecting resistance. There are 4 factors which are affecting resistance, and here I must mention these factors are affecting the external resistance. What is internal resistance? You will study later. For now you must remember that these factors which we are studying, these are for external resistance. Resistance outside the circuit will be external, and resistance inside the circuit or the resistance inside the cell or battery, something, that will be internal resistance. Here there are 4 factors which are affecting resistance. These are generally asked in your board exams, so be thorough with it. First of all, it is the nature of conductor. If the material is conducting in nature if the material is conducting in nature, there will be more number of free electrons. So as many electrons are there, the more the number of electrons, the less will be the resistance. Clear? The conducting the material is, the lesser will be the resistance. Second, it depends upon the length of conductor. Okay, if I am trying or taking this much of length, and then if I am taking the full length, okay, the more will be the length, the more will be the resistance. Second factor is the more the length, the more the resistance. Another third factor is thickness of conductor. Here we will deal with area. The more is the area, like you can take the example in one-way road or in two-way road, where you face maximum traffic. We face maximum traffic in one-way road or two-way road, you think. So likewise, the thickness of conductor, the broader, I'll tell you, the broader the road, the lesser will be the traffic. Similarly here, the broader the material, the more the area of the material or the conductor, the lesser will be the resistance. Last one, temperature of the conductor. The higher the temperature, the more the number of electrons will get free. The higher the temperature, the higher will be the resistance. Heat will be generated and more obstruction will be provided to the flow of current. So done with these factors, you by heart all these things. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.